A year where our factories moved faster and reached higher. With over 70,000 machining hours every month, precision remained our language. We delivered about 30 molds per month and produced over 3 million plastic parts across Vietnam. Sheet metal, machine frames, and automation systems powered high-tech industries worldwide. Our commitment to quality advanced further. This year, we connected across borders 12 major industry events, 300 business meetings, 150 new global connections. With a footprint in 35 countries and 300 to international customers, CNCTech continues to bring Vietnam to the global stage. Above all, our strength lies in people, more than 2,000 dedicated individuals shaping the future of manufacturing. As we move forward, we embrace a smarter, greener, and more globally integrated future. Together, we built a year worth remembering. And now, let's hear it from the people who made 2025 happen.
Together, we build.
Precision.
We create. Impact. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
To the world.
Happy New Year.